What's the meaning of connector? Connector. Connector.
Connector. Connector. A connector is a device or component used to join two or more objects together. It can be an electrical connector that links two circuits, a mechanical connector that fastens two pieces of machinery together, or a software connector that integrates different computer systems. The purpose of a connector is to establish a reliable and secure connection between the objects being joined, enabling them to exchange information or work together seamlessly. Connectors come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, and are essential components in many fields, such as construction, electronics, and information technology.